morning, children. Today we are going to learn the topic that is uniform circular motion. Now, as the name suggests, what a circular motion is. Circular motion means if an object moves along a circular path. Circular path means a closed curved path which is equidistant from a fixed point, then the path is called as a circular path. Along this circular path, if an object is moving, its motion is said to be circular motion. Now coming back to the topic, it is uniform circular motion. The word uniform means when an object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, then the motion of the object is said to be uniform. So uniform circular motion can be combined as, can be called as, can be defined as when an object is moving along a circular path such that it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Point to be noted, whenever an object is moving such that it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, we can say that it is moving with constant speed, or I can say speed of the object is constant. Right? So uniform circular motion is when an object moves along a circular path such that it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. That means if the speed of the object is constant while performing circular motion, it is said to be uniform circular motion. Now, when an object is moving along the uniform circular motion, at each and every point, what about the direction? To determine the direction of the particle, we have to draw the tangents. Let's say for particle at point A performing circular motion in the clockwise direction, the tangent will be along the direction 1 and this will be the direction of the particle. Similarly, at point B, the tangent will be along the direction 2 and this will be the direction of the particle. At point C, the tangent will be along the direction 3 and this will be the direction of the particle. And similarly, at point D, the tangent will be along some direction 4, which will give the direction of the particle. So at each and every point on this circular path, the direction of the particle is changing. Direction is not constant. That means velocity, which is a vector quantity which requires magnitude as well as direction to be specified, is not constant. Velocity is changing, and if something changes with time, that means it varies. We can call it is variable. So when an object is performing uniform circular motion, its speed remains constant but its velocity changes. And we know that when velocity of an object changes with time, there is some acceleration produced in that object, and hence we can say the object is performing accelerated motion. Now, if there is some acceleration produced in that object, definitely acceleration requires magnitude as well as direction. So there will be some direction of this acceleration produced in that object. We were considering that the object is performing uniform circular motion in the clockwise direction. So from point A to point B, the object has to take a turn towards the center. Again, from point B to point C, the object has to take a turn towards the center. Again, from point C to point D, the object has to take a turn towards the center. And similarly, coming back from point D to point A, it has to again take a turn towards the center. In any of the cases other than this also, if we will consider, definitely while performing circular motion, the object will take a turn towards the center. Hence, the acceleration of the object is always directed towards the center. And since it is directed towards the center, it is called as centripetal acceleration. And centripetal acceleration is represented by A for acceleration and C for centripetal. This is the representative of centripetal acceleration. When any of the particle is moving, definitely it will have some mass. And if a mass particle is being accelerated, definitely there is some force applied on an object, and this direction of force is the same as the direction of the centripetal acceleration. Why? Because for changing direction, change in direction is the effect of force. There is some force applied, and wherever be the effect, the direction of the force will be the same. Since it is towards the center, force will also act towards the center of that circular path, and that towards the center, the force acting towards the center is represented by Fc, and it is called as centripetal force. For an object to move along the uniform circular motion, there is some centripetal force acting on the object. Now, combining today's topic, that is uniform circular motion, when an object moves along a circular path such that it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, its motion is said to be uniform circular motion. That means in uniform circular motion, the speed of the object remains constant. But since it is changing its direction continuously, its velocity is changing. Hence, the velocity of the object performing uniform circular motion is variable. Since velocity is changing, there is some acceleration produced in that object called as centripetal acceleration, because that acceleration is acting towards the center, and that mass particle is being accelerated. There is some force applied on the object called as centripetal force. Now in the next class we will be learning some mathematical concepts related to this. Thank you.